Um, okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Alif Hussaini bin Rizwan, and I am joined here with my group members. Please introduce yourself first, Fitri.
My name is Muhammad Fitri. Uh,
Okay. Next, Mira.
My name is Nur Shamira binti Mazlan.
Okay. And today we'll be doing a demonstration on our on our PLC system for a soft drink beverage maker system. So first of all, I will show you our main ladder diagram. So first, here is our main operating block. So as you can see, our ladder diagram has a single tank, a mixing tank, and a counter function. So here is the ladder diagram for our single tank. I'll just show you briefly here. I'll just show it briefly here. And here is our And here is our ladder diagram for our mixing tank. Wait, just now was a single tank. And finally, this is our ladder diagram for the counter function. So our inputs consist of a start button, a stop button, a temperature sensor, an ultrasonic sensor, our lower level sensor, and our upper level sensor is classified as 2 and 1 respectively. And we have a counter test, which I will explain shortly afterwards. And finally, a restart button. Sorry. As for our outputs, we have a motor number 2 and motor number 3. We have our first valve, a pump, our second valve, a heater, a temperature norm, which is actually a memory, which is actually just memory. And then we have our first motor, our third valve, fourth valve, our fifth valve, a counter cut, which is also a memory, and finally our buzzer. So without further ado, I will pass on to my group mate, Muhammad Fitri, to present our single thing, demonstrate our single thing. You may proceed.
okay, so the first step will be we press the start button to activate batch process system. To start the stereo motor M2 and M3. It will open the solenoid valve 1 to allow reverse osmosis water into the tank. It will reach level sensor 2 and 1, but it will reach level sensor 2 first because the sensor is below the tank. So after the level sensor 1 detect the reverse osmosis water, it will activate the heater uh, with output of 26965, and it will close the valve 1. Okay, so when it detect the temperature until 100 degrees Celsius, the valve 2 will be in open position. The valve 2 will open until the water in the mixing tank reach 85%. And then we will close the actual temperature because of the water flow into the mixing tank. So the output will be 24038. Okay. So I will pass to my another group mate. Thank you.
For the mixing tank, if the water level in the mixing tank is 2%, the starter motor 1 will be turned on.
On sensor. 2%.
2%. The starter motor 1 will be turned on. After the water level in the mixer tank reach 85%, solenoid valve 3 will be in open position to allow this lost sugar flow into the mixer tank. Only 12% of the this lost sugar added to the solenoid valve 3 will close position, so the water level will be raised to 97%. Next, the flavor concentrate will be added for 3% by controlling the solenoid valve for open and close position. This will be raise the water level to 10%. To 8280.
100%.
100%. After mixing all the ingredients for 1 minute, the solenoid valve in open position and start draining the soft drink water. The motor 1 will add the ingredient for 10 minutes and solenoid valve 5 open and start draining for simulate the time for 1 minute. When the water level drops to 0%, the solenoid valve 5 in a closed position. Will be wait for 1 minute. The water level will be dropped to 0%. The solenoid valve 5 will be closed position.
Oops, sorry. Okay, so we will move on to the counter function. Can you hear me? Can you hear my voice? I see. Okay. So for the counter function, we created a counter test button to simulate to bypass the 12 cycles for simulation purposes, of course. So this will simulate a cycle for the counter because this is in cases of when we want to test the counter. So over here, I will click the counter test button for 12 times. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, hold on, let me close that back again. So as you can see, after I counted to 12, the counter will send an input to the counter cut gate, and this counter cut will activate the buzzer, the 2 hertz buzzer. As you can see, the buzzer is blinking. So in this situation, if we go to the single tank, we can see that the whole system has been, oh my God, has been neutralized. As you can see, the counter cut has also sent an input to the reset for the batch process system. And if I were to click the start button, one a minute. Okay, I click this. Okay. So if I were to click the start button, I still could not activate the batch process system because of the counter reset and also the counter cut, which is right over here. So for the process to start again, we will have to go we'll have to click the restart button. On a minute. It's lagging. Oh god. Excuse me for a minute. There's some technical issues here. Excuse me, there are some technical issues here. Oh, there it goes. Okay, okay, we're back. So if we click the restart button, it'll turn off the counter cut and it will reset the counter to 0, and it will also turn off the buzzer. And from here, we can also restart. We can restart the whole process by clicking the start button. So that is about it. Thank you for listening to this demonstration. I would like to say thank you to Muhammad and Fitri and also to Nur Jamila. So
Thank
thank
you.
you and goodbye.